Welcome back to our channel. In this tutorial, we'll show you how to find your images being used elsewhere using just one tool, Lenso.ai. Why is Lenso.ai the best for finding copyrighted content? First, Lenso has a dedicated category for identical images, the duplicates category. Second, Lenso allows you to set up alerts for your images. Finally, with built-in facial recognition, finding images of models, even in heavily edited pictures, is easier than ever. How do you access the duplicates category? Upload your image and find it in the panel on the right. On your phone, upload the image and scroll down to locate the category. To view all the images Lenso.ai has found, simply click the arrows at the bottom of the category. Try the People category to check if a model's image has been heavily edited and reposted. Use the sorting option to find the best matches. To set up alerts, expand the category and click the bell icon. If you haven't set up an account yet, you'll need to do so. You'll receive email notifications when a new alert is found. Additionally, you can view all alerts in your user profile. You can unlock any alert from your profile or perform another search for the image if needed. If you need further assistance, feel free to contact us via the contact form. Have you used Lenso.ai for duplicates? How did it perform? Let us know in the comments, and we'll see you in the next tutorial.